are the factors of 12. Mary put the same amount of liquid in 3 rectangular vessels. Viewed from the front, they seem to have the same size, but the liquids have risen to different levels in the 3 vessels. Which of the following images represent the 3 vessels when viewed from above? So this question is basically telling you that Mary have has 3 liquids, but and their same amount of liquids, but the vessels that she had were different sizes, and because of that it looks like the liquid has decreased in size, but it's because the length of the vessel is more. So I can say that like the black liquid over here is the smallest, right? From the view that I have, that means it's the largest vessel because all the water, the length of the water decreased. The light gray one is the largest or the tallest over here. That means the vessel will be the smallest. And the first vessel is in between the black and the light gray one. That means the length of the first vessel is medium. The size of the first vessel is medium. So I'll just look at all these things. Well, I see the black is only large in option A, right? And then we have smallest, light gray, and medium. So my answer will be A.